Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you the process of creating your application on the Google Play console. Go to Google Play console and log into your Google developer account. If you do not have an account, then create one. Now click on Create App and you'll be redirected to the Create App section. Here you need to provide your app details. Enter the title of your app. The title you enter here will be your application name. Now select the default language from the drop-down menu. From here you can select the application type, that is game or app. If you want, you can change the app type later in the store settings. Now select either paid or free option to list your app on Google Play as a paid app or free app. Please note, once you have published your app, you won't be able to change from a free app to a paid app. Tickmark the developer program policies and US export laws checkboxes and then click on Create App. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of submitting your app to the Google Play Store.